Today I show you how to get the standalone version of Logic Pro on your MacBook, and I want to make sure that I install the right version. So it looks like there are two versions of Logic. There is this version, the Logic Pro. This one is installed, but there is also the Logic Pro version. This is the standalone version. So you have to type on this one. This is about €200 for Logic Pro. If you already bought it, you have like a cloud icon to download it. So I'm gonna press. This is about €200. So this is a one-time charge. I'm gonna use the Touch ID. Okay. The payment method will be charged. Okay. Buy it. It's approved. And it's installing Logic Pro on the MacBook Air. And now you see the new logo there. So I'll use the new one. They have the same name. This is a bit strange. And now I can open the new version, allow access to the microphone, and this is some information about the new version of Logic Pro. There are some packs to download. The subscription version of Logic Pro is no longer needed. This is the version 12.3. This is the standalone version of Logic Pro, is not with the subscription, and the name is the same, so it is a bit confusing. Thanks for watching.